Before diving into our home planet Earth, let's see the wonders of the galaxy. Imagine a cosmic ballet. At its center, the Sun, our radiant star, shines brightly. Around it, a family of planets, including Earth, twirls in a graceful dance. They follow invisible paths, their orbits guided by the Sun's powerful gravity. This celestial performance has been playing out for billions of years, shaping the conditions that make life possible on our home planet. First, let's take a look at the postulates given by philosophers about the motions of the Earth. For nearly 1,000 years, Aristotle's view of a stationary Earth at the center of a revolving universe dominated natural philosophy, the name that scholars of the time used for studies of the physical world. A geocentric worldview became ingrained in Christian theology, making it a doctrine of religion as much as natural philosophy. Despite that, it was a priest who brought back the idea that the Earth moves around the Sun. In 1515, a Polish priest named Nicolaus Copernicus proposed that the Earth was a planet like Venus or Saturn, and that all planets circled the Sun. Afraid of criticism, he did not publish his theory until 1543, shortly before his death. The theory gathered few followers, and for a time, some of those who did give credence to the idea faced charges of heresy. Italian scientist Giordano Bruno was burned at the stake for teaching, among other heretical ideas, Copernicus' heliocentric view of the universe. At about the same time, German mathematician Johannes Kepler was publishing a series of laws that described the orbits of the planets around the Sun. Still in use today, the mathematical equations provided accurate predictions of the planet's movement under Copernican theory. In 1687, Isaac Newton put the final nail in the coffin for the Aristotelian geocentric view of the universe. Building on Kepler's laws, Newton explained why the planets moved as they did around the Sun, and he gave the force that kept them in check a name: gravity. Imagine our planet, a tiny speck in the vastness of the cosmos. Yet, it's a world of wonder, teeming with life and constantly in motion. Today, we'll explore the fascinating ways our Earth moves. First, let's talk about rotation. The Earth spins on its axis, an imaginary line that runs through its center. This spinning motion is what causes day and night. As the Earth rotates, different parts of the planet face the Sun. But that's not all. The Earth also orbits around the Sun. This journey takes about 365 days, which we call a year. The Earth's orbit is not a perfect circle, but rather an ellipse. Now, here's something interesting. The Earth's axis is tilted. This tilt is responsible for the seasons. As the Earth orbits the Sun, the tilt causes different parts of the planet to receive more or less sunlight at different times of the year. In the northern hemisphere, summer occurs when the Earth is tilted toward the Sun. This means the northern hemisphere receives more direct sunlight. In contrast, the southern hemisphere experiences winter during this time. The opposite happens 6 months later. The northern hemisphere experiences winter, while the southern hemisphere enjoys summer. Finally, let's not forget the Moon. The Moon orbits the Earth, and its gravitational pull is responsible for the tides. As the Moon moves around the Earth, it pulls on the oceans, causing them to bulge. This creates high tides and low tides. So, there you have it. Our planet is constantly on the move, rotating, orbiting, and experiencing the changing seasons. These motions have a profound impact on our lives and the environment around us. As we look up at the night sky, we can appreciate the incredible journey our Earth takes through space.